Welcome to Green Thumbs Galore, your ultimate guide to home gardening. Hello, garden enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your home into a green oasis? Whether you're a budding beginner or a seasoned green thumb, our channel is your one-stop shop for all things gardening. Today, we're diving into the world of home gardening, from the basics to advanced techniques, and how you can make the most of your space and environment. So grab your gloves and let's get growing. Gardening is not just a hobby. It's a journey of growth and discovery. To kickstart your adventure, choose the right spot. A sunny corner with at least 6 hours of daylight is perfect for most plants. Know your zone. Understanding your climate will help you pick plants that will thrive in your garden. Start small. Begin with easy-to-grow plants like herbs or lettuce to boost your confidence. Did you know? Marigolds not only add a splash of color but also repel garden pests naturally. As you gain experience, it's time to level up composting. Turn kitchen scraps into gold for your garden. Vertical gardening. Use trellises and hanging pots to grow upwards and save space. Water-wise. Collect rainwater and learn the art of drip irrigation for efficient watering. Fact coffee grounds are a fantastic organic fertilizer rich in nitrogen, which your plants will love. For the green maestros out there, crop rotation is key. Keep your soil healthy and pests at bay by rotating your crops each season. Hydroponics, on the other hand, lets you explore soil-less gardening for faster growth and higher yields. And don't forget about heirloom varieties. Grow unique, flavorful produce and preserve biodiversity. EcoTip repurpose old containers and pallets as planters to reduce waste and add character to your garden. And there you have it, folks. From seed to harvest, you're now equipped with the knowledge to make your garden flourish. Remember, every plant tells a story, and with each seed you sow, you're nurturing a healthier planet. So let's keep growing together. If you enjoyed this green journey, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Share your progress with us using #GreenThumbsGalore and join our community of earth-loving growers. Until next time, keep your garden happy and your heart greener.